Skip the queue and deposit your cash and checks with ease using Barclays' intelligent pay-and-in machines. First things first, locate a Barclays pay-and-in machine. You'll find them readily available in most branches, clearly marked and often with staff nearby to assist. Once you've approached the machine, simply tap the screen to begin. You'll be presented with several options for this demonstration. We're focusing on depositing cash and checks. Select the deposit option. The machine will then prompt you to indicate whether you are depositing cash, checks, or both. If you're depositing cash, prepare your notes. Ensure they are smooth and free from clips or bands. The machine has a designated cash slot, usually highlighted or with an arrow pointing to it. Carefully insert your notes, one by one, or in a small bundle as instructed by the on-screen prompts. The machine will then count and verify your cash. For check deposits, make sure your check is signed correctly on the back and has your account number written clearly. Locate the check deposit slot again. The machine will guide you. Insert your check as indicated, usually flat and facing the correct way. The machine will then scan and process your check. After depositing your items, the machine will display a summary of your transaction on the screen. This is your chance to review the amounts for both cash and checks to ensure accuracy. You'll then be asked to identify yourself. Most machines accept your Barclays debit or credit card. Simply tap your card on the reader. You might also be asked to enter your PIN for security purposes. In some cases, you may be able to use your contactless card or mobile device. Once you've reviewed the summary and identified yourself, press the Confirm button. Your deposit will be processed, and you'll receive a receipt. Take your printed receipt as proof of your transaction. It's always a good idea to keep this in case of any queries for security. The machine automatically sorts and stores your cash and checks securely. You won't be able to retrieve them after confirmation. If you encounter any issues, such as the machine not accepting your cash or an error message, don't hesitate to ask a member of staff for assistance. They are there to help ensure your transaction is completed smoothly. Using the Barclays pay-and-in machine is a fast, secure, and convenient way to manage your deposits. Thank you for watching.